Okay, so today I had a client reach out to me and ask for a daily overhead average cost report. And essentially, they want to see on a daily basis what they're spending in fuel, what they're spending in landscaping, what they're spending in repair and maintenance. So they wanted an overhead breakdown of on a daily basis what they're spending. Now, QuickBooks doesn't generate this specific report, but I will show you exactly how to do it. It's very simple to do. You go over to reports when you're in QuickBooks, go to a profit and loss, and you can run a report based on any time frame. So you could do 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, or even just a month period. I'm just going to make it simple, I'm just going to run a month period. And I just did the last month. Last month that was reconciled. We're going to run it on a cash basis. And once that is generated, after the profit and loss is generated, then you'll go to export to Excel. You'll open that up in Excel. Once you have that open, enable editing. And all we're going to do is we're going to add one column. I'm going to make sure that it is generated in dollars here. Then I'm going to go put in an equal sign and then select this column right here and divide it by 31 days. So if you're doing a whole year, you can divide it by 365. If you're doing it by half a year, 180. I just did 31 days. And so I'm just going to break it down by this 1 month, and I'll hit enter. And then what you'll do is you'll drag this down and you'll go all the way down to your net income right there. And now you can see on a daily basis, so this is their monthly total cost in this column, and this is their daily average cost, right? This is just averaging out their cost and their income. So their income, I went ahead and did their income and their overhead cost and their direct and indirect costs, just so that they had an idea, because why not have more information? But you can pull out of this whatever you want. You can pull out your cost of goods if you have cost of goods sold. You can pull out your direct costs or your indirect costs or just your income, and you can see on a daily basis what you're averaging for your income or your expenses. So when I generated this, you can see that their design income, they're averaging about $7 a day. Their cost of goods is about $26 a day. Their fuel is about $4 a day. So this gives you a good idea. Their net income, ultimately, every day they're making $2.91 on average. And so this gives you a good idea of how to produce an overhead average cost report, so that you can kind of see where you're at on a daily basis. I'm actually not sure why they wanted that report, but it's good information to have. It's always better to have more information than not. Anyway, if you need help with your own books, I am a tax expert that specializes in tax-ready bookkeeping services on a monthly basis to help your books stay clean on a monthly basis instead of waiting till the end of the year. I have over 20 years of experience. Feel free to reach out to me if you need help. Thanks. We'll talk to you later.